How's guys, what's going on? I want to introduce you to a tiny 4K 60 POV camera that keeps getting more and more powerful. So this right here is the Insta360 GO Ultra. The GO Ultra keeps the wearable spirit of the GO line but adds a bigger sensor and removable storage. With a proper action pod with the flip screen and a seriously large battery life. All while still staying pocketable, and it's built for hands-free POV and creative angles you can't easily get with a phone. Now, jumping into the specs. Off the top, you can do 4K 60 with multiple aspect ratios and modes. It has a 1/1.28 inch sensor for better low light and dynamic range. Removable storage that supports up to a 2 terabyte SD card, and magnetic mounting systems that includes a pendant, easy clip, and even sticky tabs. You still have your flow state stabilization, active HDR, pure video, low light, and even clarity zoom. The action pod has a flip out screen, gives you remote preview and control, and a big battery for longer runtime. So let's chat about the GO Ultra body. Starting off, its weight is 52.9 grams and it has dimensions of 46 by 45.7 by 18.3 millimeters. With the lens guard, it's 22 millimeters. It has a 1/1.28 inch sensor, and the sensor has a 5 nanometer chip with ambient light sensor for color calibration in the Insta360 app. The battery for the camera is a 5000 milliamp hour battery, and in terms of charging times, it can go from 0 to 80% in 12 minutes, and it can record for up to 70 minutes, recording at 1080 24 frames per second. In terms of photo, the camera can do 50 megapixels, and in terms of video, like how we mentioned, it can record 4K 60 frames per second, and there's various resolutions from 4K, 2.7K, as well as 1080p modes, pure video and slow motion modes, and the max video bitrate up to 180 megabits per second. The camera itself is IPX8, it's 10 meters water resistant. So moving to the action pod. So the action pod weighs 108 grams, and if we had to have the camera docked in it, then it combines to a total weight of 161 grams, right? In terms of the dimensions, when the camera is closed like this, it's 70 by 48 by 33 millimeters, and if we have the screen flipped out, it's then 70 by 91 by 33.6 millimeters. The battery capacity of the case is 1450 milliamp hours, and in terms of charging via the Type-C, you can charge the action pod from 0 to 80% in 18 minutes, and it takes about 40 minutes to get to 100%. And in terms of runtime, the combined camera and action pod can run for up to 200 minutes at recording 1080 at 24 frames per second. In terms of the screen is a flip-out touch screen for framing and control. This device is definitely made for creators who want hand-free POV shots, wearable movements, as well as fast social content for long and even for long recordings when you need it. Like for example, runners, cyclists, parents, and even vloggers who want something more unobtrusive yet powerful. In terms of pricing, this retails for about 11,500 Rand, and it can be picked up from Photo First. There's a link in the description below. Funnily enough, this device is actually retailing cheaper than the GO 3S at the moment in South Africa. So maybe not. It's worth something considering to pick up. If this is 11,500, I think the GO 3 was about 13,000 if I remember correctly. Now, let's talk about the pros and the cons. Starting us off, you get real 4K 60 in a tiny wearable camera, which is great because you get smooth, high-res POV shots with this device. The second thing is that you have a bigger 1/1.28 inch sensor, and you get noticeably better low light and dynamic range on this device. The second is the fact that this supports storage now, and we no longer fix storage like in previous versions. Next, we also have the fact that the Action Pod adds so much more usability in the device and also provides a massive extra runtime for the camera itself. Coming off with the cons, it is slightly bulkier and heavier than the predecessor of the Go, which is the Go 3S standalone camera. The second is that you have a premium price tag with this device. Third is the fact that, as always, sustained 4K 60 sessions can heat up the device. So we need to watch thermal behaviors during long shoots. So if we had to compare this device to the Go 3S and older Go 3 models, this has a much larger sensor compared to the Go 3S. So we get better low light on this device. The second thing is the fact that with the storage, here we support an SD card up to 2 terabytes, whereas the Go 3 had fixed storage models. Third is runtime. So the Go Ultra standalone can go 70 minutes, whereas the Go 3S could do 38 minutes. And I mean, with the pod, the Go Ultra can do 200 minutes compared to the Go 3S's 140 minutes. So for me, the Go Ultra fixes the biggest complaints about the Go line: storage, runtime, and even low light. And if you want a tiny camera that still delivers near full action camera performance and you have value hands-free capture, this is a great pick for you. If you want the smallest portable action camera for your shoots, this might not be the device for you. But if you aren't so worried about those types of things and you want 4K and it doesn't really matter the size of the camera, this is definitely a massive competitor, even in terms of battery life. But yeah guys, I mean, I've had an excellent time with this device, and a huge shout out to Photo First for sending out this device for me to review and for me to create content with, not only just at Comic-Con Africa, but also at the Festival of Motoring. So if you want to check out some of those pieces of content, you can check out our socials as well. And yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving a like rating if you did. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future content. And as always guys, thanks for watching. My name is Prashant, and I will catch you in the next video.